What's up guys, my name is Z. Today in this video, we're going to be looking at some example questions with exponents and radicals. Okay, here we're told to simplify the equation x to the 3 over 2 times x to the 1/2. So we know that when we multiply exponents with the same base, when we multiply exponents with the same base, all we do is we keep the base and we add the exponents. So for this, our base is x. In this situation, our b is 3 over 2, and our c is 1/2. And 3 halves plus 1/2 is just 4 halves, which we can just rewrite as x squared. So our final answer for this question is going to be x squared. Let's look at another question with exponents. Here, we're told to simplify 8 to the 2 over 3 over 4 to the 1/2. So exponents that are fractions can be rewritten as square roots. So let's say a to the 1 over b, right? We can rewrite a to the 1 over b as the bth root of a. So here, let's start with 8 to the 2 over 3. Right? We can, when we have a numerator, right? What we do is we just take the numerator, and just put that as an exponent to the total thing, to the total term. So what we can do is we can take the cube root of 8 and then square it as we bring our 2 over. So the cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So our top term is going to be 4. Let's save that for later. Now, we have 4 to the 1/2. This we can just rewrite as the square root of 4 to the power of 1, which we can just ignore the 1, since anything to the 1 is just itself. And we can also ignore this 2, because by default, right, just how it is, when something is to the power of 1/2, it's just square rooted. The square root is just there. We don't really have a need to put like the 2 with it. So we can just write this as square root of 4, right? Which is equal to 2. So our term, if we plug these values in, is just going to be 4 over 2. And 4 divided by 2 is just 2. So our answer for this question is going to be 2. Let's take a look at a trickier question. Here, we're told to solve for x at x to the 1/3 plus 2 squared is equal to 25. So what we can do here is put both sides to the power of 1/2, making this put both sides to the power of 1/2. This is going to cancel out the square here, and this is just going to square root the 25. So we're left with x to the 1/3 plus 2 is equal to the square root of 25, which is just equal to 5. So we can subtract 2 on both sides. So we'll have x to the 1/2 is equal to 5 minus 2, which is 3. Actually, no, I made a mistake here. So we'll have x to the 1/3 is equal to 3. And for this, we'll have to cube both sides. So put both sides to the power of 3. This cancels out. And 3 cubed is 27. So our final answer for x is going to be x is equal to 27. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more content like this in the future. Have a nice day.